Is your Excel spreadsheet giving you the frustrating Excel cannot open the file error due to an invalid file format or extension? Don't worry, we have got you covered with this easy to follow tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through simple solutions to get your Excel file up and running in no time. To fix the Excel cannot open the file because the file format or file extension is not valid error, try the following. Step 1. Check the file extension. Ensure that the file has the correct .xlsx extension for Excel files. If it's a different format, it may not be compatible with Excel. Step 2. Open Excel. Launch Microsoft Excel on your computer. Step 3. Use the Open dialog. In Excel, go to the File tab and select Open. Navigate to the location of the problematic file. Step 4. Change the file type. In the File dialog, change the file type to All Files or select the appropriate file type if you know it. Step 5. Select and open the file. Locate the file with the correct extensions and open it. If the issue persists, it's possible that the file is corrupt or in an unsported format. In that case, try to recover a previous version of the file if you have one, or consider contacting the source of the file for a valid version.